right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still
only squatted it cause they sober me. In the mob going up cause they go hard for me. Yeah, the only way is up, y'all gon' fall with me. Better hold damn fame, go touch the sky with me.
Alright, so you guys, I'm gonna start with this NYX pore filler. And just put that mainly on my T-zone. I hope this comes out. Alright, so you guys, I got some new makeup products and I'm going to try to do something different with my makeup. I never used these before. This is a BB cream and this is in medium and this is like it's lotion. It's like a liquid highlighter. So maybe I should, do I apply this first? I don't know. We're just going to try something. We're just going to try it. I'm just going to put it on like my highlighted areas. Oh no. Thank you. I don't know. I don't see anything. Look, it's like white. Looks ashy on me. I don't know. I don't notice a difference at all. I don't notice a difference. Alright, so now I'm going to do this BB cream. It says it primes, corrects, hydrates, and perfects. So maybe I should put this on like my under eye, maybe? Now this looked like it did a little bit. I don't know. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and start on my regular makeup routine. This is a concealer and it is in the shade Fawn, or it is called Fawn. And just work in sections. Alright, so I'm just going to go into the eyes and I'm going to be using my ColourPop palette and using this shade Chauffeur. And this is going to be a very light makeup look. I want to take this darker brown, this is called Mischief, and put it in my outer corner. Alright, so I'm just gonna tap, oh, you can't even see it. Tap this shade called Big Cocktails on my lid. It's like a peachy color, very light peachy. Alright, so for my inner corner, I'm just going to put some of this gold right on my tear duct. So I'm going to do my wing liner with this gel liner, and this is from NYX. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop on these lashes from Miss 3D Lash. I love their lashes. I gotta get this glue off. Alright, so now I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, because I just think this one is a lot too light for me. Let's just try this. Well, this is what I use anyway. Alright, so I'm going to use this chauffeur shade and just go in at the bottom of my lash line. I'm just gonna set to brighten up my highlight. Oh. Oh my God. Alright, so I got some bronzers. I never used bronzers. I only did contour. But I want to try these. I don't know which one I should use though. This one seemed like it has more like a red undertone. This one just like a brown. I'm just gonna open them up. Yeah, they haven't been open either. And if this lighting is changing, it's because the outside lighting is changing. I don't know which one I want to use. Should we do both? I don't know if these are like a bronzer and a highlighter together, because it does have like some shimmer in it. So just want to try it. I can't see it. This one is not showing up too much. So I might try the other one. I don't know. I don't see like too much going on. So I'm just gonna go in with this concealer. And this is in Toast. And then this is also a new blush that I have. I haven't did blush on myself in a while. And then I also bought two highlighters from Wet n Wild. This is more like this is a gold, and then this is more like a rose gold. But I think I'm going to be using this gold one first. So. If I can open it. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be using this NYX, what is this? Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is Stop. My camera about to die.